Assalamualaikum. Welcome to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn about 6 seasons in Bangladesh. We all know the seasons of Bangladesh because this is knowing us. So from when we're child, we all know about the seasons. Now we're gonna learn the British accent of seasons. So let's move to the video. The first one I wanna share with you that is summer. We all said summer, but the real pronunciation of summer is summer, summer, summer. Then the second one we said rainy season, season, but it will pronounce like rainy season, season, season. And the third one we all guys are saying that autumn, autumn. We saw guys autumn, but the real pronunciation of autumn is autumn, autumn. And the third one, the fourth one, we say late autumn, late autumn, but the real pronunciation of late autumn is late autumn, late autumn. The fourth number is very easy. We say winter, winter, winter. The real pronunciation of winter is winter, winter. And the last one we all favorite, that is spring. We all say spring, but the real pronunciation of that is spring. So thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.